Welcome to Factory Talks. My name is Cindy Moreno. In the last 2 years, pressures to accelerate digital-to-doorstep processes have stretched the e-commerce industry. Volumes are high and capacity is tight. And customer demands through online sales have stretched the industry in every way. Worldwide, this has led to many challenges in the express parcel industry, delivering more with less. Today we are welcoming Tony Young, President and founder of Diversified Automation, a subsidiary of Leadec in Louisville, Kentucky. Tony, welcome to Factory Talks. Online retail is booming, and with it, parcel shipping. What are the major challenges DA customers are facing right now?
Well, as everyone knows, the world's a different place ever since COVID hit. And part of what happened in our industry, it accelerated what was already starting to take place. And that was the growth of e-commerce. And with e-commerce, people are shipping more and more packages. So instead of one package with 20 pieces, it's 20 individual packages. So a lot of our customers in the express parcel market are having a challenge. The areas of the system they handle these smaller packages are growing rapidly. So they're having a hard time, number one, having the right amount of system and the right type of system to sort these packages. And number two, finding enough people to sort them. So those are big challenges for our customers right now.
So what are the solutions that DA has come up with?
Well, thanks for asking, Cindy, because one of the things we pride ourselves at Diversified Automation is really being industry best in innovation and technology, and really looking at innovation around how our customers can do the same processes but with more efficiency and more automation. So we're looking at a couple different ways right now that our customers and their core systems can handle this increase in volume, as well as additional automation to help them deal with the lack of labor that they're finding themselves having a hard time to come up with.
What was a highlight project for you recently?
So as soon as COVID hit, our customers came to us with some of these challenges. There's a project, one of our main customers in the parcel business needed a different way of solving some of these challenges and doing the processes that we've been talking about. And so just recently in Texas, we prototyped a project for one of our main customers that really solved both issues. It helped them process more packages, these smaller packages that we're talking about, and do it with less labor. So really focusing on innovation to help them come up with new processes and new automation to be able to solve the problems that they have. So we're excited to be rolling that out to several sites with this one customer over the next couple years.
So where is development heading for automation and solutions for the next few years and into the future?
Well, I think what's really exciting about our industry is it's projected next 5 years, the amount of packages that are being shipped each day due to e-commerce is projected to double. So that's pretty significant growth that is expected over the next 5 years. And the challenge is, again, having the right types of systems to handle these packages and also being able to find enough people to sort the packages. So that said, one of the things is robotics. I think robotics are going to find their way more and more into these facilities, and we're doing a lot of innovation right now around the right types of robotics for this type of application. So I think that's a big area that the industry is going to change in. I think another one is just more automated processes where you have less labor needed to sort the number of packages. So I think robotics and then software and automation around the systems that exist today are going to help the industry basically double what it's doing in the next 5 years.
Well, those are great insights for this portion of Factory Talks. Thank you for being here.
Well, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.